Hello, my beautiful Fumi Nation. How are you? How are we? My name is Fumidesaluvold. For those of you that are stopping by for the very first time, you are so very welcome indeed. What am I wearing? I am wearing a t-shirt that I bought from Primark, like £3. And I think I bought this from H&M years ago. Just simple white jeans. I thought, why not? And that's it. Very simple today. And we need to address a little something that's quite serious. Tamar Braxton reveals she almost died 2 days ago and was found in a pool of blood by a friend. It goes on to say, I don't even know what happened to me, Braxton says, of an accident she suffered over the weekend. Shocking. The singer, 48, reveals on her Instagram stories on Tuesday, August 19, that she suffered a terrifying accident over the weekend. In the post, Braxton detailed her injuries and said she was found in a pool of blood. I struggle to write this, but everyone keeps calling me, and honestly, I can't even really talk anymore. I'm so weak, she began. I almost died Sunday. I was found in a pool of blood from my friend with a face injury. As the days go by, the worse it is, she continued. I fractured my nose, lost some teeth and mobility. The way I look at life now is totally different. She lost some teeth. And then heart emoji, broken heart emoji, broken heart emoji. The way I look at life now is totally different. As my health is on the mend, my mental journey begins. Pray for me for real. I don't even know what happened to me. The singer added the song Spirit Lead Me by Clavier in the background of her Instagram post. After she shared the news of the incident, she reposted a page of the Bible on her Instagram story showing Proverbs 31, which is a passage about strong women. Hours before she opened up about the incident, Braxton posted a quote to her Instagram stories where she expressed gratitude for waking up. Thank you, God, for waking me up today, it read. Earlier this year, Tamar shared plans to focus on her health before her tour, which is still ongoing. It is officially tour time, she wrote on Instagram, March 23rd, alongside a video in which she was singing her 2013 song, Stay and Fight. I'ma tell you all to get y'all tickets, a whole new set list, and that new music starts here. In a second slide, Tamar included a photo of herself standing on a scale which weighed 153 pounds. She vowed to get healthier as she prepared to go on the road. B-Day is over, so no more drinks, no more carbs, all body and voice, she said. Me and my brother at October London and I are going to give you a night you won't forget. See ya soon. Tamar recently graced television screens when she teamed up with her sisters on the WTV reality series The Braxtons, which aired last year. Tamar was joined by her sister Tony, Trina Tawanda, and matriarch of the family, Dr. Evelyn Miss E. Braxton, on the show as a way to honor their sister Tracy, who passed away in 2022 from cancer. It goes on to say, the main reason for wanting to do the Braxtons again is because of Tracy, Tony shared in a trailer for season 1. She asked us to do this. This was her last wish, Miss E added. The family previously starred together on the Braxton Family Values season 2 of The Braxtons has been renewed by WETV. In April, the family celebrated what would have been Tracy's 54th birthday with several sweet tributes. Tamar shared a clip on Instagram of a crowd holding up their flashlights to Tracy's hit single Last Call, playing at a concert. Happy heavenly birthday, beautiful Tracy Braxton. Tamar wrote in the caption, we missed you down here, sis, but I know God didn't want to see you sick like that, so he brought you home to himself to heal you. Thank you for being an amazing sister and covering all of us down here, she concluded. I wish her well. I wish her well. She's lost her sister, which was not that long ago, because they were all 5 on the Braxtons. I used to watch it back in the day. You never know what people are going through, and these celebrities are human. And so I think that Tamar has been hit with a lot of challenges in the past couple of years, and so maybe she's struggling. I wish her well. Maybe she had a blackout, as they say. Maybe she crashed out. Maybe she had too much to drink. Something happened anyway, and maybe it's a wake-up call. Maybe this will be what will help her get back on track. You never know. You never know, and I cannot be here to judge. So, Tamar, I am sending you all my love, all my positivity. Take time out. Take time out for yourself. Get yourself together, because really and truly, health is wealth. Health is what? Health is wealth. And it's not something you want to gamble on. Not worth it. Not worth it, mama. Okay? I will see all of you in New York. I cannot wait. My beautiful city. I love you. I love you. I'm going to see you on the streets of New York. And thank you so very much to the one and only Juvia's Place for inviting us. Cannot wait. Sam Fine is going to be there. Davido is going to be performing. It's going to be fabulous. And I cannot wait. Do not forget to like, to subscribe, hit the notification button, baby. And I will see you in New York. All of my love. Yes, I do. Look, back up. Have you noticed that I refuse to give any of this away? It's always sold out. Always what? It's always sold out. So, guys, what do I think about our slippery lime shampoo? Let me show you something. Let me show you something. And for the benefit of other shampoo products, I covered them. I had to do this test because I needed to prove a point. And I don't want to bring up any other product or brand. But these are other shampoos that I've had. Yeah? Okay. So I'm going to take them out one by one. Let me put my slippery slime here. I'm going to bring it out one by one. And I'm going to pour it out for you to see. Yeah? Look at the consistency. Look at the consistency. Okay. That is one. Look at the consistency of this one. Okay. Look at the consistency of this. Oh God. Look at the consistency of this. Look at the consistency of slippery slime shampoo by Healthy Hair Studio, created by a trichologist called ENITAN. It's a beast. It won't even. Just look. If you are asking me, Fumi, a slippery lime shampoo, Healthy Hair Studio, created by trichologist ENITAN, is it FDV approved? It is absolutely FDV approved. It is absolutely FDV approved. Go right ahead and use my discount code Fumi and get you.
The value of the information that we were given. So it's not overwhelming. It was very clearly laid out. It was accessible, even for someone that's not familiar with public relations.
Now I'm leaving, feeling more PR ready. What I thought I knew, I now know more. What I came to do, I've done so much more.
If you are serious about really growing your business or growing your brand, then like this is really this is a must.
And I love the fact that I came away from it feeling and knowing that I now have a clear pathway for the things I want to do next for my business.
I'm literally in awe.
I feel like I can pitch. There's so many platforms that I've wanted to go on, so many podcasts or just things that I thought I can only dream about. But in this retreat and just through the classes and the sessions, I really learned how to actually reach out to those platforms, to those huge platforms.
Know that when it comes to PR, Nina gonna put you together, okay? During our sessions, how she walked us through the playbook and she had us complete tasks. It gave us a sense of clarity.
Nina, you did that. You brought a group of amazing women together and you helped us bond, see our worthiness, and yeah, it was everything I could have dreamed of and more.
Yes, it's really been a unforgettable experience.
This is by far the most impactful few days I've had in a very long time.
Nina, you have no idea how profoundly your journey has impacted my journey.
Don't even think about not signing up.
Hi guys, my name is ENITAN, hair coach. I am UK's first ever hair coach and a trichologist. We are a team of trichologists and hair coaches here in W6 London, and we help those who are desperate and have tried and everything else has failed. We look after those who have chronic scalp concerns, flaky, itchy scalp that's been going on for many years. We help those that have hair loss that has progressed instead of improved, and we help those that just generally want to have a better understanding of better quality hair, length, volume, and reduce that dryness. Visit us by clicking here.